So we're going to take the Singer patch, iron-on patch. I already took a piece of it out here, cut off a little strip right there. I have my Mechanix glove, which the index finger has broken. It has worn out. I really love these gloves. I've burned through a couple of pairs. For some reason the index finger always wears out, probably because it's the most used finger, and it always typically happens when it gets wet. So what I've done is I've taken I have a couple pairs of these that are bunk, that need new fingers. I washed them a couple times in the washing machine, let them air dry, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to iron on a new a patch to cover that hole right there. So I've cut a little strip right here. I figure what we'll do is we'll just go over the top and make a whole new finger there. So the instructions say that I need to warm this up beforehand just to get it up to temperature. I don't want it to melt, so what I'm going to do is I have this on the cotton setting, and I'll just warm it up a little bit. Getting it shiny, that means it's melting a little bit, so let's get it up to temperature. Don't want to melt it. Okay, we'll take our patch, put it over the finger, and this is a little different than what the instructions say, but I found that this works better. So put the patch on, heat the patch so that the adhesive gets going. And there you go, see, it's already sticking. The instructions want you to heat the fabric and then hand press the patch, but I found that this works better if you actually just heat the patch directly. And it sticks. Look at that, see? Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Tie that down there. Tie that down there. There you go. Looks like we got ourselves a new glove. Those little edges there. Cool. It's warm. The edges are all nice. That looks good. I think that looks good. Worst case, if it comes off, we just do it again. We got enough patch material. Look at the little edge there a little bit. Give it a once over. Okay. Make sure you stick, my friend. Okay, let's try it on. I'm sure it's hot if I yell. Hey, all right, look at that. Got ourselves a new finger. Well, now I don't need to throw out these gloves. Man, that's awesome. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I'm sure this is going to wear out at some point, but we got, you know, we got materials for days, so I think we could continue to repair this glove. So there you go, that's money saved right there. I got a hole in the index finger on my Mechanix gloves. Let's actually put it on the right way. I really love these gloves. I've burned through several pairs because I get holes in the index fingers and it just becomes untenable. I use the Singer patch material, iron-on patches. My deviation was I cleaned the material and I didn't heat it up too much because this is not cotton. You could probably set this to a different setting, but it could be that the adhesive here wants a high temperature. So just heat the material slightly, put the patch on there, and then heat the patch again, just going back and forth to even out the heat. And then there you go, you got yourself a new finger, you know, and this hopefully should last for a little while. So an iron iron-on patch, and then we've repaired our Mechanix gloves. And now I'll go through the rest of the stack and fix these guys as well. Thanks for watching.